There we go.
Okay. I'm going to demonstrate the claw game with Amelia. Okay, so it goes $1 to play. And the big ones are 2 points, and the small ones are 1 point. If you get 1 point, that means you get your money back. And that's it.
Okay,
And
go.
if you get the 2 point, you get one extra dollar.
Okay, that's a
So-
child that you're flinging around like that.
And so if you miss, then you lose your money. Okay, so I'm going for the 2 points.
We will kill you.
Come on, Amelia. Do it. Yes!
Show the winner. Show the claw. Don't.
Yeah! We got it!
Good job.
Kiss the camera.
Don't. That's annoying. It's not fun to
Okay.
not be able to see anything.
I will kill you.